Bala, let me come to you. The gold-silver trade. It's been such a tricky and such a tumultuous ride, if I can call it that. How are you looking at gold and silver at this juncture?
See, it's completely out of range time. I think it's in a completely different arbitrary, and the speculative element is not just coming only from India. It's come from the worldwide market. When we saw a few weekend development in places like Indonesia, places like China, and related to the commodities trading, I think this is going to be very interesting to watch out in terms of who will get caught and where and for what reasons. I think it's such a commodity is not available. It's in abundance. Therefore, some element of speculative element and stocks not being available and so on and so forth. So it's completely in a complete speculative mode and huge amount of participants come. And that's why what you have seen in the last few days, the regulatory intervention is coming in now, making people actually deliver the real holding rather than speculating it. And these are some of the steps, increase the margins. I think will bring them actually to the level at which it should, ideally speaking, a trade. But also given the fact, we must also understand, given the US trade tariff is not just coming for India alone, I think worldwide has created some kind of uncertainty. Therefore, de-dollarisation is also somewhat is happening. Therefore, people actually holding a dollar as against the US gold as against the US dollar. And these are some of the things which is currently the dynamics, which is of course influencing the price movement. But at the end of the day, any excessive price movement has to get corrected, especially in the last, say, 1 month, if the price goes up by 50%, naturally we have to expect something to come and hammer them. But believe me, the risk I always seen, we'll never know where from it comes. It will come. Yeah. But this point of time, it's very difficult to predict where it will come. I think if you have to scare people, you can scare. But the risk always come. Therefore, one has to be very careful while trading this kind of commodity at this point of time.
Okay.